Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to change the brake pads on a 2019 BMW 330i. We'll focus on the front right wheel, but the process is similar for the other wheels. First, ensure the car is securely on a professional jack or a standing jack for extra safety, and remove the wheel. Note that the front left wheel has a brake pad sensor cable that needs to be disconnected. This cable is only present on the front left wheel, so not seen here in the front right wheel. Next, remove the two 17mm bolts located behind the wheel, as shown in the video. Cleaning is a crucial step in this process to make the work easier and preserve the auto parts. Use a proper brake cleaning spray. Avoid spraying the center of the wheel where the grease is. The grease layer there prevents rust. After removing the caliper, use a piston compressor tool to flush the brakes. Push the piston all the way back and clean it. Check the rubber ring around the piston for cracks or leaks. If the rubber is damaged, replace the piston and rubber ring to avoid a dangerous loss of brake fluid and ensure a firm brake pedal. Once you've checked that the piston is in good condition, remove the old brake pads and clean the area. Place the new pads, ensuring they align with the wheel's curvature and are firmly in place. Reassemble the caliper with the two 17mm bolts. Finally, reinstall the tire, and the job is done. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.